you want some eggs? I'll make some eggs.
Did you ever hear the word privacy? I'm getting dressed.
Hey, what time did the Playboy get home last night? I bet you 3, 4 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, look how proud he is.
I said, forget it. This beautiful blonde with the dress up to here, but class. You know what I mean? You could tell in a minute. But you know that Stephanos, he could make out with a movie star when he gets shot. Yasu. Yasu. Quick, a number. Quick, a number.
34.
34, 3, 4, 7, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G, who you know starts with G? Come on, who you know?
Johnson.
Don't laugh. Gabriel. Grigori. Grigori? What's he talking about you for?
You know, you drive me crazy with your superstitions.
What do you mean you stopped sneezing, didn't you? That proves that he's talking about
I
you.
stopped sneezing because I stopped sneezing.
You know, he's just the type I like to break his
What are you
head.
getting mad about?
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Are you all right?
Must be allergic. What's this?
Oh, that's one of Freddie's hairs. She was all over me. Oh, that came out wrong. Freddie's a cat.
How could you?
We're just friends.
I'm major league allergic to cats. Please don't tell me you took an stray or something like that.
It's just for a few days.
Lose to furball. Until then, I can't even give you a handshake. Get it?
I guess not.
How do you know that cat's not 10 miles from here by now?
Well, she was last seen sneaking into the building, so I figure if you're that allergic, you can pick up her scent. Bless you.
You got me down here to be your bloodhound? That's cruel, not to mention unusual. I don't even like cats, remember?
Well, as I recall, it's not that you don't like cats, it's just that you're allergic to them. So, sniff, you know, see where it leads.
I cannot believe I'm doing this.
Well, I think it's a demonstration of our deep commitment to each other.
I thought it was my brains, maybe my body. Who knew it would be my nose?
Well, for what it's worth, I love that nose. Bless you. You got something?
No, Seagulls.
Bless you. Which way?
That way.
I think you picked up her scent.
You think?
Come here, Freddie. Come here.
She's gotta be around here somewhere.
Come on, Freddie. Come here, girl.
Anything?
Looking friend.
Oh, I think he likes her. He's protecting her. That's sweet.
Bless you.
He's got big claws.
Former professor of bioengineering, University of Cambridge, England.
Bless you, madame.
Everything's going like clockwork, Stella. More hostile bunch I've never seen, but I'm ready for that. Won't they be disappointed when I present my research and take the award for myself?
If they could compete with you, Doctor.
Well, better get started and be thorough. There's a good girl. I'm sure they're hiding all sorts of data.
I'll copy everything I can find.
God's sake, do something about that cold, woman.
It's not a cold. It was from your experiment on military uses of pollen.
Oh, well, it does have potential then, doesn't it? Hang out loud. I wish I brought Graham with me.
And it will certainly come as no...
Stella.
Drag meter, I hate cats.
Come on, Camilla, I went with you when you bought that paper shredder. Oh, look at all these fuzzy, wuzzy little faces. Yes, I wish I could take you all. Be the mayor of Cuddletown. You're so good.
Good Lord.
Oh, it's cute. Yes, you are. Oh, yes, you are. You're so...
Excuse me. Not allergic to cats, are you?
I'm fine. I'm not allergic to cats.
Nora, I think maybe the man is right. I mean, your face is getting, like, bigger.
I'm not allergic to cats, okay? I just want to find my kitties.
Yeah, no, I really shouldn't. I mean, you don't look so good.
Oh, just let her hold the cat.
Well, okay, but if you choke on your tongue or something, you're on your own.
Oh, come here, sweet thing. Yes, you. Oh,
big.
Oh, think he likes me.
Thank you so much. We're really sorry to have taken your time.
Everybody loses. Oh, thank you.
You look terrible.
This crime is merely an inconvenience for you.
How would you like to spend 2 days wading through piles of video dreck? Just how contagious are you two?
What'll it be, Chris?
Got an orange juice in the rocks. We've nursed Nicole. Easy.
Nice try, Chris. Maybe too much wrist.
Well, you're not supposed to sink every ball, you know. You lose your quarters too fast. Charlie taught me that, too.
And that name was Bertie Woodsy. Thank you very much, Mr. Discoffle.
I'm glad you speak their language.
She doesn't have what it takes to be a model. And I've always treated her badly. She expects it.
Oh, dear. Is Nefertiti in here, Mrs. Slayton?
How the hell should I know? Well, don't just stand there. Go look for her. Philip, did you get my allergy pills from the drugstore?
They're in the master suite bathroom, but it's not her prescription.
An allergy's an allergy, for God's sake. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll be back in a minute.
Are you all right?
Don't touch me. I have the flu. Oh, you stay right here next to me, Niles Crane. Nose running, hair a mess. I must look a real fright. Oh.
Daphne, I have to ask you a question.
Hold on. You were saying?
When you say this disease is horrible, what do you mean exactly?
Seriously? You really want to know?
Well, since you brought it up.
It starts out like a cold, fever, respiratory symptoms, and then your organs shut down. You start to bleed out your nose.
Okay, I get the gist.
Great. So we can stop talking about it. Oh, jeez!
Peekaboo.
Larry, nothing happened, believe me.
Sure, pal, sure. Anything you say.
Hi, Larry. I think I caught your cold, Jack. But I forgive you.
Larry, I know what you're thinking.
I'm not thinking anything.
Hi, Larry. Jack, I will be out in just one little second, okay?
Larry.
I believe you, pal. I believe you. And I idolize you.